find the equation of the tangent to the curve y is equal to root over 3x minus 2, which is parallel to the line 4x minus 2y plus 5 equals to 0. So let the curve be y is equal to root over 3x minus 2, and which is parallel to the line. The tangent is drawn. Let us consider a tangent. Say the point is P alpha comma beta, and now a tangent which is parallel to the line. This line equation is given 4x minus 2y plus 5 equals to 0. So which implies that slope of tangent is equal to the slope of this line 4x minus 2y plus 5 equals to 0. So let's find the slope of tangent at point P alpha comma beta by differentiating the curve. So we'll have dy by dx is equal to 1 upon 2 root over 3x minus 2 into, again differentiation of 3x minus 2 will give 3. So this is 3 by 2 root over 3x minus 2. And now slope of tangent we can write it as slope of tangent to the curve at a point at P alpha comma beta. So we can write here dy by dx of alpha comma beta, so which equals to 3 upon 2 root over 3 times alpha minus 2. And since we know the slope of given line which is parallel to the tangent, 4x minus 2y plus 5 equals to 0 is nothing but minus a by b, that is minus 4 upon minus 2. So it is slope is 2 we can consider. And since the line is parallel, to the tangent, so we can take their slopes are equal, that is 3 upon 2 root over 3 alpha minus 2 is equal to 2, or we can do cross multiplication. 3 is equal to 4 times root over 3 alpha minus 2, or squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides we will have, so 9 is equal to 16 times of 3 alpha minus 2, or we can write 3 times alpha minus 2 is equal to 9 by 16, or 3 alpha is equal to 9 by 16 plus 2. So we have 3 alpha is equal to 9 upon 16 plus 2, that comes as 9 plus 16 2s are 32 upon 16. So which implies 3 alpha is equal to 41 upon 16, or alpha is equal to 41 upon 16 3s are 48. And now let us substitute alpha value in the given curve equation. Since alpha comma beta is a point, so we will have beta is equal to square root over 3x minus 2. So we can write 3 times alpha minus 2, so which equals to root over 3 times of 41 upon 48 minus 2, or we can write 41 upon 16 minus 2, or 16 2s are 32, 41 minus 32 comes 9 upon 16 square root, so we can consider to be 3 upon 4. So the point here alpha is, when alpha is equal to 41 by 48, you are getting beta is equal to 3 upon 4. So the point on the curve can be taken 41 by 48 comma 3 by 4 is the point. Then equation of tangent can be taken as equation of tangent at this point. Equation of a tangent is y minus y1, that is y minus 3 upon 4 is equal to the slope. The slope is given 2, so we can write 2 times of x minus 41 upon 48. So we can write 4y minus 3 upon 4 is equal to 2 times of 48x minus 41 upon 48. So we can cancel here 4 12 times and 2 6 times, and again doing cross multiplication. 6 4s are 24y minus 6 3s are 18 is equal to 48x minus 41, or 48x minus 24y. So minus 41 plus 18 is equal to 0. So else we can add 48x minus 24y minus 41 minus 18 comes 23. So minus 23 is equal to 0. So we can consider the equation of tangent to be 48 times x, 48 times x minus 24y minus 23 is equal to 0. Okay, thank you.